Now, when conclusion of our local Reggae Month celebrations, music lovers gathered at the Ranny Williams Entertainment Center for the Big Hurrah, Darius' final staging of their Reggae Wednesdays series. The event was held under the theme Know Your Future and saw fire performances from artists like Mr. Vegas, Dre Island, Richie Spice, gospel crooner Rondell Positive, Kez Namdi, among others.
I mean, a lot of these hip-hop songs that you hear and a lot of these EDM records were born out of reggae music and dub music. You know what I mean? So we love to see the step that Jamaica taking in terms of anointing it, the big genre that it is.
Back then we were hearing differently from how the youth them are here now, so them are hear something different. We just have to keep doing our music, you understand, and keep promoting our music and keep look at Bob Marley. Bob Marley not here anymore, but the music stand the test of time.
We also caught up with Dre Island, who is fresh off his promotion tour. The We Pray hitmaker is gearing up to release his new project titled Now I Rise.
We Pray is growing and it is only getting bigger and bigger. Because you know that song, I always say that song is bigger than me. I gotta write it and get you and pop on and say, sing it. Now I rise. I'm not giving you a date, but it's April is the month for sure. I know I release in my city anytime now.
Reggae Month saw a number of related events taking place, like the prestigious Dario Honor Awards, musical workshops, panel discussions, dub club sessions, and more. Now, Reggae meets dancehall tonight at Mascam for another staging of Bacchanal Fridays. Tonight's event will feature performances from DJ Giants, Cyclone from Coppershot, Creep and JR from Chromatic Live, Soca Heavyweight Ryan Saeed, and the eclectic DJ Tyler. As a special feature of the 2018 Bacchanal series, the organizers have put in place some incentives for potential patrons to come on board, offering discounts to students of the UWI and UTech who have not yet purchased their costumes. Now on ER tonight, Beenie Man holds nothing back.
I cannot believe that RGR is a big media group should stoop to that level and said, I want to kill Dennis Howard.
The veteran DJ opens up to Anthony Miller about what he says is a misinterpretation of his recent comments regarding the RGR Galena Communications Group radio boss Dennis Howard.
Me? Kill Dennis Howard? Seriously, like God no. I just need that man not to have no talk in our music.
Beenie Man is in the hot seat with the media giant after he took the microphone earlier this week calling for the killing of the career of Dr. Dennis Howard. In a statement, the group's management expressed their disappointment in the DJ's allegations and has assured the public that they would be prepared to assist Dr. Howard with any legal support that he may need. Watch the full interview with Beenie Man tonight on ER at 8:35 p.m. right here on TVJ. And that's it for the weekend edition of E Prime.